Did you know you can make your phone lock switch off even when you are busy on another call? No apps, no hacking, just one hidden setting. Let me show you step by step. Hello guys, welcome back to FutureTech. In this video, I'll show you a secret phone setting that most people don't know. If someone calls you while you are already on another call, instead of showing number busy, their phone will show switch off. And the best part, no app needed, works on most Android phones. So let's start. Step 1. First open your phone dialer. Now tap on the three dots in the top corner and click on settings. Inside setting, tap on calling accounts. Now you will see SIM 1 and SIM 2. Tap on the SIM you want to use, for example SIM 1. After that, tap on additional settings. Now find call waiting and turn it off. This step is very important. Go back and now tap on call forwarding. Here tap on when busy. Now enter a number that is switch off, unused, or a SIM you don't use anymore. It can even be your own old SIM. Just make sure it stays off. Save the number and you are done. Now whenever you are another call and someone tries to call you, the caller will hear the number you are calling is switched off instead of the line is busy. This feature depends on your mobile network provider. Some networks support it, some may not. If this trick worked for you, like the video, subscribe for more smart mobile tricks, and comment over below.